I was really excited about this monitor until I found some chips on the edge of the monitor and on the corners of the screen. Later on, I also found some problems with the display when I was playing certain videos. It turned my video green and just gave the whole screen a greenish tint. And there was also another problem with the display where at the edges of the screen you could see this brownish yellow tint, like it was burnt or something. So I went back to Best Buy and I exchanged the monitors. If you guys want a full review on the Samsung monitor, then comment down below. Otherwise, stay tuned for my LG monitor unboxing. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!